What's up, everybody? Rick here. Do another unboxing first impressions video. This time we got a CJRB here. I've been meaning to get this one for a while, and I finally saw a model that piqued my interest, so I jumped on it, and here we are. CJRB Pyrite, made in China. Alright, starting up with the Spectacle Pair 3 in crew wear. We got a pouch, got some salt packets in there. Fine, let's see, that up here. No, pouch. Got a nice little cloth. And alright, kind of straight to the point here. Cloth and pouch. Alright, let's check this out. Ooh. Okay, alright. So, this one's in aluminum. And I don't remember what the blade is. I'll add that in. But it's got the rose gold coloring. It's a button lock. Deep carry. Not set. It's a nice looking knife. Alright, let's give it a flick here. Ooh, oof. Okay, hold on. I want to do that again. Oof, action. Okay. Let's go again. Ooh, jack that up. Oof. I gotta do it again. That feels good. One more time. Oof, that feels good. That is a handsome knife. It's black, rose gold. That button lock is just great. Okay, I get why people are talking about this. I get it. Okay, I just had to get one in hand. Smaller than I thought it was, though. Oh, okay, got full fingers on, 4 fingers on there. Got some chimping. I guess it's a little, I would have liked it a little further up. That's just my hand. Got a little choke up, which I like. My finger's not gonna touch that button. What we got for, let's see some size comparisons here. Against, damn, I'm just jacking that up too. Alright, pair 3. These are pretty close. Hair longer. Pair 3. PM2. Definitely closer to the pair 3. Let's go bug out. Benchmade bug out. Very similar in size. Benchmade Griptilian. The sheep's foot blade. Obviously much closer to the bug out. Ooh, it's a little tight too. go Kaiser drop bear. Kaiser sheepdog with the clutch lock. It's pretty close to both those. What do we got for hardware? Oof. Oof. Okay. You know, dang. So I honestly have been getting sick of button locks. They're just not doing it for me. But then I guess something comes along like this where that's just, what do we got here? Yeah, I mean, that is, there are a couple other button locks. So obviously you got the CVV Elementum button lock. That's just not as satisfying. It's fine, whatever. CVV. What was this called? The Altus? I feel like that's what it was called. This one, kind of same. Both nice. Let's do a size comparison. But dang, this one just has a little more snap, a little more snippity snap. I mean, dang, that's pretty close. And just that, yeah, that's better. That's better. That one has that bounce. Whatever. What can you do? And then obviously got the big boy, Ziphius. This is, yeah. I mean, that's the button lock. I gotta get that off screen so we can focus on this. Yeah, I like that one. I really do. What's the hardware? That's what we're doing. I don't know. T8, probably not. Nope. Pivot. Ooh, pivot. It's 909. It's a very loose 8. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. I gotta try that again. Was it 909? It's not. So that's one thing I don't like. And then body screws, pocket clip, for sure, 6s. Yep, 6. But they're more snug, so that's, yep. Yeah, okay, so I'm happy with this one. Let's get CJRB. Oh, there's the blade steel. It's AR RPM9. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, this is just an unboxing, first impressions. I'll have a full review coming on this one after I've had some time to carry it. But yeah, that's the video. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment down below, tell me your thoughts on the CJRB Pyrite, and yeah, head over to my Instagram, follow me at Ricks_knives1, lots of pictures of knives. But that's it. Until next time.